पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। जॉइन पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, वडोदरा, गुजरात।
The cleanliness of a country has become a worldwide concern in the past few decades, as it affects the healthcare, economic, and social development of the country. One of the ways to measure a country's cleanliness rate is through the Environmental Performance Index (EPI), which highlights how well countries perform in terms of their environmental policies and sustainability initiatives. So, which country is the cleanest in the world? The world's cleanest countries list highlights many European nations with strict environmental policies and sustainable cultures. Denmark is the cleanest country in the world with an API of 77.9. The major reason of country's success in the cleanliness report lies in their sustainable waste management system and green culture. The next on the list are the United Kingdom and Finland, with EPI of 77.7 and 76.5. These nations lead in all areas, from air quality and water cleanliness to waste disposal. The list also includes Malta and Sweden, which are making significant contributions and rising as two of the world's cleanest countries. Where does India rank on the list of cleanest countries in the world? India is not placed among the top ones. The country of billions stands at 180th rank with a recorded EPI of approximately 18.9. Nevertheless, the country is making significant efforts to enhance environmental cleanliness through programs like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which targets sanitation and waste management. But it is a high ladder to climb.